Hi there, my friends and fellow crafters. This is Leanne from Mimi's Crafty Abyss, and my Scrapping for Less Flavor of the Month banana split level package came yesterday. And so now it's a bit quiet around here, so I figure I'll do an unboxing for you. This month's theme, which is the February 2018, because it is released at the end of the month, this month's theme is Castles and Dreams. And when I saw the design team's previews, I knew I had to get it. I was so happy that I'm part of their subscription program, so that it's automatic that it's going to be here. Anyway, like I said, it came yesterday. And so let's get started. First of all, the package came in a priority envelope, and it was all in this beautiful unicorns and rainbows and diamonds bag that just matched the theme perfectly. So then I open it up, and we have a cardboard mailer with our cardstock. Now the cardstock is from My Favorite Things, and it is grape jelly, midnight blue, razzleberry, limeade, berrylicious, and bubblegum. And then the white cardstock, there's 2 sheets of the Nina 110 pound smooth white. So this will be great for, all of it will be great for my card bases, my layers, however I'm going to decide to do this. So I put that away. And now to dig into the kit. Now, for each monthly kit, it's 4 collections that make up the whole kit. And each one is in its own individual cello bag. So I've already taken it out of the bag so you don't hear the rippling. But let's get started here. So our paper for collection 1 is Dragon Tales by Doodle Designs. And this is the paper that I received. These are the 6x6, double-sided. Let's see. I love this because it looks like little cobblestones. That's going to be fun. Card prompts. Okay, so there's the 6x6 paper. Then we have special made by Stampin' Bella. They did an exclusive for Scrapping for Less. And it's a flying dragon and a sentiment. And the sentiment says, fairy tales are more than true, not because they tell us that dragons exist, but because they tell us dragons can be beaten, by Neil Gaiman. And this little dragon guy is from the set of dragons, but they made a special collection for Scrapping for Less. And then we have half a sheet of Doodlebug stickers that coordinate with the pattern paper. We have Dragon Tail sequins from Kennedy Grace, all the matching colors. And I'm not going to pick them all up because they're small, but a collection of brads, little metal brads. Well, I guess I did pick them all up. And then each collection has its own envelope. So I'll move that stuff over into my box. I have a 12 by 12 iris box that I keep my collections in. Each month I put that collection in the box so that I can use it. And then at the end of the month, when the next kit comes, I merge my collections together with my older collections. So let's see. Collection 2 is Fairy Tales by Doodlebug Designs. And here's my paper chase. Mommy's busy. All right, so here we go with the little unicorns. Looks like rainbow flowers. rainbowed hearts and orange flowers, some castles, and pink hearts. That could be a card base itself right there. Some dots, clouds, more flowers in a rainbow pattern, and some purple clouds. And then we have our stamp set is from Avery L. Be a Unicorn. You have unicorn, your cloud, wishing you a magical day, I believe in you, some lightning bolts, raindrops, stars, hearts, solid stars. So, really cool. I actually already have this stamp set, so watch my blog, mimiscraftyabyss.com, and later this month I'll be doing a giveaway with the stamp set. Then we have half a sticker sheet from the Fairy Tales collection. We have some sparkly star buttons, pastel color, clear with stars on them, gold stars. And Fairy Tales sequin mix from Kennedy Grace. Now what's great is the sequins. She always put what kit it came with. So once it's in your box, you can coordinate it still. And my envelope. All right. Moving on to set 3. We have Once Upon a Prince by Echo Park. Let's see here. Oh, Robin Hood. I can see that happening. Nice wood grain. See, hero, brave, pirates, knight, dragon, sail, never grow up. Oh, I like this paper. Books. Little crowns. A diamond shape. Some crowns. So that's Once Upon a Prince by Echo Park. And Stamping Bella did another collection for this set. And this is Fairy Tale Squiggles. No one is too old for fairy tales, and then you have your prince and princess. And they're good size. Then we have a gold mesh. I haven't figured out what to do with this yet, but I'm sure I'll figure out something. Looks like, let's see. How long is this? $10 of gold mesh. And it's very, very pliable. Bend it. Yeah, I'm going to like that. That'll be interesting. Some enamel shapes that coordinate. So we have a dragon. I think that's a dragon. Looks like a dragon. And a fleur-de-lis and a couple stars. And some arrows. My Sweet Prince sequin mix. Envelope. Solo bag. And also from Echo Park, we have Once Upon a Princess. Because who can have the prince without the princess? Once Upon a Time Princess. So here we go. True Love's Princess Kiss, Happily Ever After, Fairy Tale. Maybe that's supposed to say True Love's Kiss. Once Upon a Time. Fairy Godmother, When You Believe. Very nice. Some more books. Here we go. And the stamp is Mini Princess Marcy from La La Land Crafts. It's a sentiment says, have a magical day. I think I'll be separating the sentiment, but not sure yet. We have some pearls. We have enamel shapes, hearts, a tiara, princess, and a smaller heart. My Sweet Princess sequin set, and envelope and sellotape. And for those that purchase the banana split level, you have one more package, and that would be Pretty Pink Spray by Mr. Huey. I have sprays, however, I've never tried this brand, so this will be a new one for me. Rainbow Doodle Pop by Doodle Bugs. So we have a rainbow sticker and a couple of clouds, and they're actually, I don't know if you can tell, but the clouds are layered. Little work saved for me. We have Paper Smooches Rainbow Die, and it actually does cut all 6 layers of the die. So you can either cut it one time out of white and then color yourself, or you can cut it 6 individual times for 6 individual pieces. And lollipop. I have a collection of those now. And something new from Scrapping for Less. This is their first original Castles and Dreams sentiment stamp by Scrapping for Less. We have Once Upon a Time, You're My Knight in Shining Armor, A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes, Sorry to Hear Your Dragon, You Are Unique as a Unicorn, Sweet as a Princess, Enchanted, Let Me Be Your Knight, and Believe That There Are Unicorns from Shakespeare. So, this is Scrapping for Less's own stamp set that they had made. And that can only be purchased with the banana split level. I'm not sure, I actually should have checked, but I did not, to see if it's available still. I will post down in the comments if it is. So that is my collection. There is a download sheet with all the ingredients and the 4 card sketches for this month. It's also a download sheet. So this is the Scrapping for Less February 2018 card kit. Thank you and have a great day.